Welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris. I'm the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, where we specialize in virtual math tutoring for middle school and high school students. And in this video, we're going to learn about dividing fractions. And the really cool part is we already know 90-something% of what we have to do today. The only difference is that because it's divide, we have to add a little step. We have to do something called multiply by the reciprocal. That means we have to flip over the second problem or the second fraction to make it the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you have to flip it over. So whatever's on top, the numerator, becomes the denominator. And then we're going to multiply. And to remember to multiply by the reciprocal, I say the words keep, change, flip. Now I do want to add a little star above this. We need everything to be improper first. So improper first. So make sure everything is improper first. And make sure you pause or rewind at any point if you need to. So we are going to do this first problem. So I'm going to show you this keep, change, flip idea. Multiply by the reciprocal. Keep the first one, change to multiply, and then flip the second one. And this one's kind of tricky because at first you're like, I'm going to be able to cross cancel. I'm going to be able to reduce. But then once you flip it, you find out you can't do that. So 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16. So that's going to give me 1 with 11 left over. And if you need to, come over here and do 27 divided by 16. That is totally okay. Do that scratch work. Not a problem. 2. Make it improper first, and then we just do the same thing. So 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then we can do the keep, change, flip. And if possible, you can cross cancel. Some people don't like doing that. They want to wait till the end. That's okay too. I like to go ahead and cross cancel so my numbers are not too big. Oh, I can do the 8 too. So 8 and 2 are both divisible by 2. Oh, this is nice. It makes my numbers a lot smaller. 7 over 4 when I'm done. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 1 is 4. And then divide that out. 4 goes into 7 one time, and there are 3 left over. So here are yours to try. So pause, do these, and then come back when you're ready. So I'm going to go through these now that you've tried them. Get rid of that. Okay. So keep, change, flip becomes 49 over 60, and there's nothing we can do with that one. 2, we need to make these improper first. So that's going to be 15 plus 4, which is 19. Oops, I haven't flipped it yet. 15 times 1 is 15, plus 7 is 23. 23 over 15. And then we can do keep, change, flip. And I'm going to cross cancel again to keep my numbers small. So 19 over 1 times 3 over 23. So 23 on the bottom. And then 19 times 3 is 27, 57. And some teachers are fine with you leaving it like that, as long as it's reduced. I'm going to go one step farther and make sure it's a mixed number. Especially at the beginning when you're learning fractions, most teachers do want you to keep going. So 23 times 2 is 46, and then I have 11 left over. So 2 with left over 23. Next, keep, change to multiply, flip. And this one has a bunch I can cancel too. So divide this and this by 7, and that's going to give me 3 and 1. And then let's divide this one and this one by 5, and that'll give me 5 and 3. So 9 over 5. Oh no, my picture's in the way. Which if I divide that out, 5 goes into 9 one time with 4 left over. Do long division if you need to, okay? Do it if you need to. If you can do it in your head, that's fine, but don't feel like you have to do it in your head. Please show all your work. All right, this last one. Zoom in a little bit. 81 times 1 is 81 plus 19 is 100. 18 times 1 is 18 plus 7 is 25. And then we're going to do keep, change, flip. And there's lots of stuff in here that I can cancel and reduce to start with. So I'm going to divide this one by 25 and this one by 25. That's going to give me a 4 and a 1. And then these are both divisible by 9. 9 and 2. So that's going to give me 8 over 9. All that, those big numbers, and we get 8 over 9. One helpful hint, and I didn't write any problems like this because it looks a little messy, but sometimes they'll do a really big fraction bar, and on top they'll have a fraction, and then on the bottom they'll have a fraction. This is your divide sign. I don't like writing it that way, so I will always turn that into this. It looks way better, and then you just do the process. So if you see that really big divide sign between two fractions, write it sideways so it looks the way that we're used to. So I hope you learned how to divide fractions from that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe and like, and don't forget to ring the bell, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye!